Are you worried that some people can actually see your Samsung notes and you want to make sure that you can lock all of these notes separately or even lock the app itself very simply? Probably the reason why I want this is that if someone could access your phone, that you have your notes secured. To lock individual notes on Samsung Notes, first open the app and then right here, for example with this one, I can hold it down and then below you can actually already see the icon to lock this note. After doing that and I want to access it, it will give you a prompt like this, so you have to enter your password. But you can also enable fingerprint for next time, but right now you have to enter your password. This is the password of your Samsung account, just a reminder. And to undo it, the only thing you have to do is to hold it down again and afterwards click on unlock and enter your password again, or use your fingerprint. If you don't think this is secure enough, you can actually lock the full app. That means that every single time you want to open Samsung Note, it's going to request you for a fingerprint or password. To enable this, we actually have to enable secure folder. Right here, you can actually put any app inside or photos or files and it will lock everything separately in a very secured space. To enable it on your Samsung device, just go to the settings by swiping down right above, and then here in the settings, just search for secure folder. Right here it is with biometrics and security. We will click on it and it will show where it is. So right here, let's click on secure folder. And then right here, we have to click on continue so we can actually start this. We're going to click on continue again. And now it's going to create a secured folder. Everything you will put on here will actually be locked and only you can access it. After creating the secured folder, you can actually pick which lock type you want. So for me, I want to use fingerprint, but do know you do need a pattern, PIN or password to begin. So right here, let's select pattern, for example, and you can put any pattern you want, for example this one. And now I'm going to do it again, and then only I can access the secure folder if I have my fingerprint or this pattern. Let's click on next. After doing this, it will show you this. Right here, you can put anything inside and every single time it will lock it. Right above, if you click on it, you can actually click on settings and you can auto lock the folder. You can do it when the screen turns off or every single time you leave the app. I think every single time you leave the app is way better, especially if you're using fingerprint or facial recognition. Right here we have a lot more options, for example lock type, let's enter that password, and these are all the options, not facial recognition sadly. But let me show you how to get Samsung Notes inside here. Very simply, you can already see Samsung Notes is here, and how to do it is you first need to open secure folder. After opening this app or the setting itself, you have to enter your password, which is my fingerprint, and afterwards I can access this. Right here you can see that Samsung Notes is already here, but how to add it is very simple. Right above, go to the three dots, then click on settings, and then right here we have the option for apps. Click on it, and right here you can put any single app inside here and it will work. So let's search for Samsung Notes, let's click on it. I mean, right here you can see all the apps that are already sort of inside the secure folder. But to add them, you only have to go to the secure folder itself and then click on the plus icon right here. After doing this, you can easily search for Samsung Notes, and after doing that, you have to select it and then click on add. Right now, it will be installed sort of to your secure folder, and if I click on it, I can put all notes inside here that I never want anyone else to see. So this is a completely separate space and nobody else will be able to access this. Of course, your own notes, I recommend that you lock them separately or you use the alternative, and that is this app on the Play Store, because if you install this, you can lock any app and it will stay the same app. Secure folder is only meant if you only want sensitive information over there. But if you didn't know it yet, if you hold down on a note, you can actually click on more, and right here we can save it as a file. We can save it as a Samsung Notes file and then later import it into the other Samsung Notes app if you want this. These were all the simplest ways to actually lock your Samsung Notes completely free and without any issues. I do recommend recommend you use secure folder a lot more often, because right here nobody else can access your data, and when you reset your device everything will be linked to the account. If someone steals your device, they won't be able to access it. You can easily disable it from a distance. Samsung is very good with this protection. And so thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.